Good morning, dear students. Hope you are all good at home. Today, in our geography period, we'll discuss rocks. The aspects we will concentrate on are identifying the different types of rocks, describing the formation of rocks, listing the importance of rocks. So, let's start going. The Earth's crust is made up of rocks and minerals. Rocks are naturally occurring and consist one or more minerals. They do not have a definite chemical composition, shape, color, or texture. Minerals are also found in nature and are a combination of similar chemical compounds. All minerals have definite physical and chemical properties. The minerals in different combinations form various kinds of rocks. Types of rocks. Based on the different types of process that lead to the formation of rocks, they can be broadly classified into three types. They are the igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, and metamorphic rocks. The formation of rocks largely depends on the factors like temperature, pressure, and minerals present during the time of formation of rocks. Igneous rocks. Igneous rocks are formed when the molten rock called magma cools and hardens. Magma lies beneath the Earth's crust and then rises towards the surface. These rocks are volcanic in nature. They are formed at high temperature and hence do not contain any fossils. The mineral composition and size of the rock are determined by the cooling process. In case of a rapid cooling, the crystals are small. During the slow cooling, the crystals are large. Then characteristics of igneous rocks. Igneous rocks have the following characteristics. Igneous rocks are hard rocks and water does not penetrate easily. Igneous rocks are crystalline, however, size, form, and texture of grain depends upon the rate of cooling. Igneous rocks lack strata but have layers of lava. Igneous rocks do not contain fossils as there was no life on Earth when these rocks were formed. The high temperature does not allow the remains of plants and animals. Igneous rocks are also called volcanic rocks as they are mostly associated with the volcanic activities. Sedimentary and metamorphic rocks are modifications of igneous rocks. So next is the sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks are formed because of the deposition and accumulation of sediments over a long period of time. These sediments are a combination of sand, pebbles, shells, and fragments of other materials. Running water, wind, and glaciers carry these sediments. Sedimentary rocks are generally stratified. Over a long period of time, the layers of sediments harden into a rock. Sedimentary rocks are soft and may crumble easily. These rocks are usually found underwater on the floors of shallow seas, rivers, and lakes. Sedimentary rocks are divided into three types based on the way they are formed: mechanically formed rocks, chemically formed rocks, and organically formed rocks. Now, the characteristics of sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks have the following characteristics. These rocks cover about 75% of the Earth's surface. These rocks contain fossils of plants and animals. These rocks are found in the folded and deformed layers. These rocks are porous and allow space to water to sweep into. These rocks are prone to rapid erosion. Metamorphic rocks. Metamorphic rocks are formed by changes in the pre-existing rocks. These rocks are due to high temperature and pressure. The changes are seen in the texture and composition. The pre-existing rock is referred to as protolith. A protolith may be igneous, sedimentary, or metamorphic. The process of metamorphism takes several hundreds of years. Sandstone is metamorphosed into quartz and limestone is metamorphosed into marble. Characteristics of metamorphic rocks. Metamorphic rocks have the following characteristics. The original texture of rock changes while undergoing metamorphism. The layers of a rock may get distorted after the protolith is exposed to extreme heating. Metamorphic rocks are either foliated or non-foliated. Foliated rocks have parallel layers. Non-foliated rocks do not have layers. Now, the last aspect is significance of rocks. Rocks are used for different purposes. One, the gradual breaking down of rocks help in the formation of soil. Rocks are storehouse of a number of minerals like iron, magnesium, and copper. These minerals are helpful in various industries. Rocks such as marble, granite are used in the construction industries. Rocks such as limestone and gypsum serve as raw materials for the cement and paint industries. Rocks give us fossil fuels like coal and petroleum. Precious and semi-precious stones like diamonds and rubies can be extracted from rocks. So students, hope you enjoyed the lesson. Thank you.